going on, guys? Today, as you can see, snowstorm. Second one this year. First one I missed. I was busy with school. Second one, 10 to 15 centimeters of snow. I'm here. I'm still hitting. Got to screw early. I got a couple hours. Here I am. Micro spay rod. Snowstorm. Nobody else here but me. So hopefully we can get through the ice guides. There's no slush yet, so that's good news. Anyways, if the audio is crap, it's going to be crap today because no microphone because it's snowing. GoPro, another small camera, and a phone as a backup just in case. Anyways, stay tuned. Episode, Tail Chasers, Snowstorm, Steelhead. Let's get after them. Nothing like dropping your new rod and reel in the sand before you even start your day. Rinse it off, but I don't know. Now my gloves are going to be wet. Awesome. It's a good start. Cardinal right there in that tree. Right there. Cool. What's going on, buddy? Probably looking for food. I know, here, yeah, right? There's no one. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there is a Chinook still. See white, a little bit of white in the back right there. Light stem. You just barely see my glasses on. Turn this forward. I don't know. Find out, I guess. There he is. In the back. Beat up old Sugar male. Pretty beat up. Weird. On another spot, and my fly frozen, like frozen. So you can put it in the water, I guess, see if that works. That may work. If not, I don't think it's gonna work. Spay fly, water, frozen. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's find out. Nope, didn't do a thing. So, when in doubt. You can either put it in your hand, warm it up, or you can do the fast method, which is dangerous, or you put it in your mouth, which is also dangerous. Don't hook yourself. Now we're fishing this fly that's unthawed, kinda. Nice little run. Cool. giant. I got one. Yes, this big little rainbow ate this fly. Kinda. Inside the face. Turn around. I'll hurt him. There we go. This is the fly. This is the fish. Baby rainbow. Nice. It's fat. Get in there, buddy. Gone. Alright. So that's gotta be under our bridge here. Get some have a snack. A little drink. Get in the snow for 2 minutes to get stuff that's dry. Keep it dry. That's gonna be the smallest rainbow I ever caught swinging a fly before. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool on a fly that I made. Stay fly swinging. So it's not pretty. It's not big, but I don't know about you guys, but I call that a day, a good start to the day. Fly you tied yourself at home, swinging flies, which is also hard in these small creeks, and caught a fish on it. It's not a trophy, but you know, you can't catch many until you catch the first. Anyways, that's a little halfway update. Snow's getting worse. Traffic is on the road. I saw a road a while ago. It's stopped, and the 401 is poking along. So it's getting worse. We're gonna truck a few more pools, and then we're gonna head her out. Anyway, stay tuned for some more. Hopefully, at least get one decent steelhead. That'd be awesome. My day be made. Then I'll go home. Anyways, stay tuned. So the snow's getting worse. Turn around this way. Look at this. Hey, Mary.